Hello everybody. I have some news back in old Switzerland. I got myself a digital clamp meter, voltmeter, wiring, and a battery and a battery charger. So with this equipment I feel halfway an engineer, so to say. And here on the table you can see my entire work I've done until now, including the new entries. This is my first cell, which I changed slightly because I moved the positive attachment here. It was about this height. Then the inside is now out of 3 tubes. Center is negative, outer is positive, and in between there is a neutral tube, the attachment on the bottom. I changed the inside of the cell. This is the negative, this is the neutral, and this outside is the positive. That is attached here to the outer case, which is positive, and the positive is going to be attached here. This is my second unit, which I have not yet had satisfactory testing. Zero fossil fuel proposed me I should put a acrylic on the side and glue it on so that the electricity will not be lost here. This is my third cell, and this is some good Swiss chocolate. This is what I use as an electrolyte, and this is my new entry, a spiral cell. A friend of mine sent me a photograph yesterday morning, and I was so enthusiastic about it that I just copied it flatly. And it is a tube. No, it's a rod. This rod is about 6 millimeters in diameter. This is the casing. This time I made the casing negative. So it enters like this and it goes down all the way to the bottom. And the cell is like this. Okay, this is my test. I'm having good production. I like it. And I have to measure how much I have here. I don't know if you can see, it's 27.4 amps. I probably did put a little bit too much electrolyte. Here it shows how the bubbles look like. Connected, disconnected, connected. Looks like a fairly good production. And here's an attempt with the 13 plates cell. It looks as if only the central plate is producing anything. There must be some kind of a problem. It draws 3.9 amps. I think one of the reasons is due to the fact that the cell has not been conditioned. Since I do not know what it means to condition, I have to understand that first. And secondly, I think because of the fact that the negative enters from the top, it is not good. It should be attached at the bottom so the flow will be towards up. And this is the 7-core cell, for which I don't have yet a container, but I would like to see the production. Here we go. I'm measuring between 16 and 17 amps. 16 amps. I'm happy with this, as far as I can tell. I would have to see in a container how much it produces, really. Giorgio, questa la dedico a te, grazie. This is for my friend who gave me the picture yesterday. I'm drawing .31 amps. 30 amps, 31. Still a lot of electrolyte. And this is the spiral in the casing. Go. And we are measuring . Wow! 44 amps. This is with the casing as negative. .5. Just for the fun to see how much bubbles are coming up, really, here we go. And we still have 44 amps, 43 amps, too much. But good production. The water heats up very fast though. In a minute it went to body temperature from 15 degrees Celsius to 37. Okay, I see you next. I think one of the next thing I would like to do is to attach it to my car and see what happens. See you next. Goodbye.